Hello friends, we will do another sum on relevant costing. Let's look at the question. A company has to decide whether to accept a special order or not for a certain product M in respect of which the following information is given. Material A, 5000 kgs are required, which is available in stock for us. We had purchased this 5 years ago at rupees 35 per kg. If not used for M, it can be sold as scrap for 15 rupees per kg. So a customer has reached out to us with a special order. So it's a product M and these are the requirements for that. Material A is required 5000 kg. We have this in stock. We purchased this 5 years ago at 35 rupees and today if we sell it as scrap, it will be 15 rupees per kg. Material B, 8000 kg required. This is to be purchased from the market at 25 per kg. Other hardware items, 10,000 rupees to be purchased. Department X, it's a labor-oriented department. 5 men are needed for 1 month at rupees 7,000 per month per man. No spare capacity is available and labor will have to be freshly hired. Department Y, machine-oriented. 3,000 machine hours at rupees 5 per machine hour. Existing spare capacity may be used. Mold and pattern, 15,000 to be incurred for M, but after the order, it can be sold for rupees 2,000. I just want to discuss one thing while I was reading the question that came to my mind. So when you read the question, try to break it out in your head and understand what the question is asking you to do. So this question is all about relevant cost, right? So we need to understand which cost is relevant for the decision making and which is not. So this particular question is on the decision making, whether I should accept the special order or not. And I have to look at the relevant cost. And when I'm reading the question point by point, the first point is material A. So material A, 5000 kg is required. I already have it in stock. I purchased it 5 years ago. And if I don't use it today, I will sell it for 15 rupees per kg. So what is relevant for me? Relevant is 15 rupees per kg into 5,000. So if you look at this, 5,000 kg into 15, realizable value is relevant and therefore 75,000 rupees is the relevant cost. Material B, 8,000 kg is required and everything has to be purchased. So everything is relevant. So 25 into 8,000. So 8,000 kg into 25 rupees, 2 lakh relevant as it has to be purchased. Other hardware item of 10,000 was there. So obviously it is relevant because it has to be purchased. Department X is labor oriented and there is no spare capacity available and labor has to be freshly hired. So it's an extra cost and therefore of course it is relevant. So 5 men into 7,000. So 5 into 7,000 is 35,000, relevant as fresh labor is to be hired. Department Y, machine oriented, 1,000 machine hours. However, existing spare capacity is there. So whether I make this or not, I'm not incurring extra cost and therefore this is not a relevant. It's irrelevant as spare capacity is available and therefore there is no cost added for it. Mold and pattern. So I have to incur a cost for the mold and pattern of 15,000 and it can be sold for 2,000. So the net cost that I am going to incur is 13,000. So therefore it is the net cost is relevant, which is 13,000. So by adding all of this, 75, 2 lakh, 10. So 2 lakh 85,000 plus 35,000 plus 13,000 is 3 lakh 33,000. So this is the minimum value of the special order that we should charge from the customer.